Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Madison Sheahan, currently a political and government figure, and whether she's gay? There's been chatter online. So let's break it all down. Madison Dean Sheahan is an American government official. As of 2025, she serves as the Deputy Director of U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE). Before that, she was Secretary of the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries. She's been active in Republican politics and has held leadership roles in several state administrations. In politics, especially with younger leaders, people tend to conjecture about their personal lives. Some online commentators have speculated about Madison's sexual orientation based on her public profile. But that's mostly rumor and speculation, as is common for public figures who don't publicly speak about their private lives. Is Madison Sheahan gay? No, there is no credible public information that Madison Sheahan is gay. She has not made any public statement about being gay, and there are no records of her coming out or being in same-sex relationships. The speculation remains unconfirmed. Madison Sheahan is focused on her career in government, moving from state to federal roles. Questions about her sexuality remain rumors, not facts. What's clear is her rising influence in policy and enforcement, and that's where most of the public and media attention is centered.